Task 30 is to teach kids the name, naam,
Q R S T
and sound, आवाज.
Quo, R, S, T.
Of these letters. See, this is big Q, bada.
Q
See, this is small q, chota.
Q
Now you make in soil. Make big Q, bada.
Q
You can also make in salt or in flour powder. Now you make small q, chota.
Q
Very good.
What sound does letter Q make?
आवाज.
Quo, 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 queen. Quo, quo, queen. हम हर अक्षर की आवाज़ क्यों सीख रहे हैं? क्योंकि जब हम इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं या बोलते हैं, हम सब अक्षरों की आवाज़ जोड़कर शब्द पढ़ते हैं। बच्चों को हर अक्षर का नाम और हर अक्षर की आवाज़ सिखाना है।
See, this is big R, bada.
R
See, this is small r, chota.
R
Now you make in soil. Make big R, bada.
R
Now you make small r, chota.
R
Very good.
What sound does R make?
आवाज.
R, 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 rabbit. R, R, rabbit.
See, this is big S, bada.
S
See, this is small s, chota.
S
Now you make in soil. Make big S, bada.
S
Now you make small s, chota.
S
Very good.
What sound does S make?
आवाज.
S, 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 sun. S, S, sun.
See, this is big T, bada.
T
See, this is small t, chota.
T
Now you make in soil. Make big T, bada.
T
Now you make small t, chota.
T
Very good.
What sound does T make?
आवाज.
T, 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 tub. T, T, tub.
Please try and show the objects we are showing to kids while learning letters. You can show them the objects at the marketplace as well. If it is not possible to show, then please show our videos.
Now, let's play a game with kids. We have used A4 size paper and made 8 paper planes like these. And written one letter on each plane. We have written with pencil. Now, let's play a game with kids. Make plane,
Big R.
fly.
Very good.
Make plane,
Small T.
fly.
Very good.
Where are aeroplanes parked? In the airport. Where do they fly from? The road on which they fly from is called runway. Come, let's make the aeroplane fly from runway.
Small S.
Very good.
If the first game is difficult for you, then you can also play like this. Write the letters with a pencil and tell kids to pass the paper to you. Pass, big Q. Like this, you can tell kids to pass all letters. Very good.
Please sit with kids when they are learning and keep an eye on them at all times. They should not eat mud or chalk.
Kids may take time to learn letters. Please take your time. Please teach one letter every 2 to 3 days. At first, kids will write a little with salt, flour powder or soil. That's okay. Teach them to write slowly, at their pace. Please listen carefully. Please do not put pressure on your kids to learn. Please give them lots of love and encouragement and let them enjoy learning at their own pace. Thank you.